how to add Citibank credit card to BPI. In this quick video, I will show you the steps to link them in just a few minutes. First, open the BPI mobile app or head to the BPI website and log in using your credentials. Once you are in, find the Accounts or Card section in the menu. Then, look for the option to add a new card. Here, enter your Citibank credit card details, the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Double-check everything to make sure it is correct. Once you are ready, tap Confirm to complete the linking process. You should see a confirmation message shortly after. If you prefer, you can also visit your nearest BPI branch. Just ask for help with linking your Citibank card, and they will take care of it for you. And that's it. Your Citibank credit card is now linked to your BPI account. If you have any questions, BPI's customer support is always there to help. Thanks for watching.